Hey guys, how's it going? How to equip multiple accessories in Roblox. So to equip multiple accessories on Roblox, open up the Roblox app or website on your device and then tap the avatar button on the main menu right here at the three bars at the top right, top left, sorry, and then click the avatar, and then basically you're gonna select the accessories. You can just go ahead right here and make the page by clicking the triple A right here, sorry, the double A capital right here, and you're gonna see a pop-up window. Click request desktop website and you're gonna be able right here to see the characters and accessories. Go ahead right here and click the accessories to view and choose the item like hats, glasses, and all that. So basically once you select the accessories, you can equip to each accessory. You can equip them. They'll be added to your avatar. Your avatar now display multiple accessories at once. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.